Morning folks, thanks for tuning in for another video today. Just down here doing a quick little hike before I have to go back in and go to work in a little bit. But I got a new month, so a new Alpha Outpost box for you. So this month it didn't come in a box, it actually came in a bag, so let's see what's in it. So I got out here with my hump day pack today. Just got some items in there, like I said, just doing a quick little hike. So let's take a look and see what's in this month's box. It's called Outback. So stay with me. My name's Chris. You're watching Skills to Survive. We'll be right back. Alright, so here it is. It's called Outback this month. So I've already opened the package, so I already kind of know what's in here, but I just couldn't wait, so I already opened it up. Let's get to it. Alright, so first off you get like this nice little drawstring bag. This is like one of those backpack type bags. So these straps, or these your drawstring closure here, is actually like your backpack straps. So really cool. You can use it for a lot of different things. Alright, so let's grab out the little card here first. Here's the card. Sale off of past boxes, 60% off using that code there. You can tell here it says how to clean a canteen, and then some how to use your canteen stove and stuff like that. So that being said, first item you bring out here is a military 1-quart canteen. This is nice. I have tons of these canteens throughout for my kits and everything like that, so this is great. These always come in handy. So there's your patch for this month, the Outback Patch. It has Alice clips on the back here, so you can attach it to, you know, Alice, Molly gear, whatever, or you can attach Molly straps to that and use it for Molly. But what's cool about this too is not only do they give you the canteen, but inside, these things are kind of a pain if anybody knows about these. Inside of here, you also have a canteen cup and a canteen stove, so which is really nice as well. I wish they would have went with stainless steel instead of aluminum with this. I don't think stainless would have cost that much more, but you know, for an emergency kit or something like that, or something you're not going to use all the time, I don't have a problem with aluminum, you know. But some people may have a problem with aluminum. Personally, I don't really, for, you know, like I said, just for occasional use and stuff like that. But there's your canteen cup and your canteen cup stove, so look forward to trying that out. Alright, digging down in here, you have another little envelope here. It has a couple items in it. Let's take a look at it here. First little item we pull out here is just like a little keychain multi-tool type thing. It has just a little Phillips screwdriver and a little flathead, a little can opener or bottle opener there, a little cutting edge there. So just a small little cool little thing. It comes off your keychain, you know, like that. So little tool there. And this right here, I've seen these online, popped up in my feeds and stuff. This is called like a forever match, and basically what it is like a match type in here, and you fill this up with lighter fluid, and it has a little ferrocerium rod right here. What you do is you take this out after you fill it up, and you just strike it on your ferrocerium rod. Let's see if I can get it to light because it's so windy out here. Usually lights like the first try, but again, it being so windy, I doubt it's going to light. Of course, I overfilled it too as well. There we go. And like I said, normally it'll light on like the first try or so after you've let it soak for a little bit, but there it is. It's called a forever match. It's a pretty neat little product. It has a little O-ring seal on here, so supposedly the fluid won't evaporate as quick as what it would on like a you know, Zippo or something like that. So then you just blow it out and you put it back in your little container there and close it up. So like I said, neat little product there, the forever match. I've always wanted to try one of these out. So alright, next product down here you get, it's a mountain equipment. Heat Sheets Bivy. Now, I know this is a Heat Sheets Bivy, or a Heat Sheets brand from Venture Medical Kits, because I've already taken this out. And these are nice little bivvies, you know, especially for an emergency kit or something like that. So you do get a nice little bivvy in there. I'm not going to take it all the way out because they're a pain in the butt to get back in these bags. But Heat Sheets Bivy, which is really nice for an emergency kit. These are so small, lightweight. You can put these just about anywhere in your kits. So, last but not least, thing in here that's what makes this whole package really cool, you hear a dog barking down there, is a whoopee. Yes, this is a whoopee, a Poncho Liner. So you can use it. Obviously, this is a big blanket. You can see it has tie outs on it. You can, you know, use it as a blanket. I don't think you can use it as a poncho liner because it doesn't have a hood in it to where you can, or a space to where you can put your head through it. But you can wrap up in it. You can use it as a sleeping bag. Use it as all kind of stuff. So that's really nice. I really like that a lot. So that's definitely going to come in handy. You're definitely going to throw that in my kit, because that piece of equipment right there is definitely worth it. So, but yeah, so that was this month's box, folks, called the Outback from Alpha Outpost. And I'm going to get out here and continue my little hike this morning, and before I have to go to work, put all this stuff back up. But yeah, folks, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. You know, if you're interested in signing up for Alpha Outpost, you can click the link down below. You can get your first box for $5. Anybody that follows me on any social media, you know, they're always running deals and stuff. So again, click the link if you're interested, or go check them out. You know, they have some, you know, for what you get, I think, you know, they have some pretty decent equipment. They're decent gear. Now this is, you know, definitely this gear will help you get started. If you're first getting started in the outdoors and stuff like that, the gear here will definitely help you get started until you can save up some money and get, you know, your higher end gear and stuff like that. But this right here is definitely worth it. And, you know, putting this in your kit. So anyway, thanks again for watching, folks. I'll see you on another video real soon. Always remember PPE, plan, prepare, and exercise. Get outside, get outdoors, have fun. And thanks again for watching.